Hi! Today I'm going to show you guys some new Estée Lauder skincare dupes. So I found these two dupes for Estée Lauder for really cheap. So these are from Face Facts and it's from their line called Overnight Renew. And these are of course duping Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair line. I have tried the Estée Lauder serum before and it is very good. And this serum from Face Facts is of course supposed to do the same thing, but of course the ingredients are different. The first ingredient in this serum is water and the second one is glycerin. But other than that, it also contains vegan collagen, ceramides, Q10 and hyaluronic acid. And I did also get this night cream. I have never tried the night cream from Estée Lauder, but I do like a good hydrating night cream, so I thought I would try this one out. So the two first ingredients in this one is water and then it's mineral oil. And usually mineral oil is not so great. I know for some people it clogs their pores. I haven't had a problem with that with this cream, but that is the second ingredient in this cream. But that's why it's a dupe, that's why it's 10-15 times cheaper. Other than that, it also contains blueberry and acai berry and aloe vera and something else that I've never heard about before, Centella asiatica. So that's the main active ingredients in this cream. And I have been using these products every single night for about a month or so. I am running low on the serum and I have really been liking these. They really hydrate my skin without being oily or greasy, and they work well with my sensitive skin. So I will do a full demo of both of these and I will tell you the price difference on the screen right now. So now without further ado, let's get right into the demo. So we are going to start out with this serum. It comes in a box like this. It looks very much like the Estée Lauder. It's called the Overnight Renew Sleep Elixir Facial Serum. And the bottle looks almost identical. So it comes with a dropper. So I'm just going to do one full pipette and apply it to my face. I have already cleansed. It is very light, as you would imagine a serum to be. Very light and watery. And it does have a very faint scent. It's not strong at all. It doesn't irritate my senses. And it does sink into the skin really quickly. And for me it works really well. It's really hydrating. So this is the night cream. This is the Overnight Renew Restoring Night Cream. And this is what the cream looks like. Again, it looks exactly the same as the Estée Lauder. And here is the product. And the scent on the cream is a little bit stronger. And the cream, when I massage it between my hands, it turns almost watery. It feels like a regular cream when you first put it on. But the more you work with it, the thinner it becomes. It almost has like a balm-like texture. And this one also absorbs into the skin super quickly, like almost instantly. And it feels very hydrating without being thick and without being oily. And by the way, both of these come in glass packaging, so both of these are glass, which is very nice. I always prefer glass packaging over plastic. So all in all, I really like these skincare products. Will these completely replace and duplicate the Estée Lauder? No, they will not. You're not going to get the same quality of ingredients at this price point, but I think these are really good alternatives if you want something that is significantly cheaper. As I said, I've been using them for about a month and I've had very good results with them, a good experience. They really hydrate my face and I haven't had any problems with them when it comes to my sensitive skin. So that is all. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I do post new videos every single Friday. So I will see you in my next one. So take care and bye bye.
No, original.